My name is Stefano and I'm owner chef of Spaghetteria. Spaghetteria is all about spaghetti and we do 6 shapes of pasta at the moment: fettuccine, pappardelle, conchiglie, spaghetti, tonnarelli and mafaldine. We do them freshly every day. The key for the pastas is the ingredients and the freshness. I think pasta is the most known comfort food in the world. We serve about probably 150, 180 pastas a day, probably 60 kilos of pasta. So there is a lot of production of pasta on a daily basis. Making it fresh every day makes the difference. Our restaurant can host about probably 20 people, but our focus is on the takeaway. Probably our good 70% of our sales are takeaways. It's important to be efficient, to be as efficient as possible. We've been using Uber since we opened, growing day after day. 3 really good things about setting up Uber. First, it's photos, making sure that the photos you upload are exactly the same as what people get delivered. Second, it's space for options. If you have, in our case, gluten-free pasta, for example, is a big seller, make sure you have different options for dairy, gluten. 3, it's making sure that you update the cooking time, delivery time. Following those tips, you'll be able to get more visibility on the Uber apps by being in the top hits. That means more people will order and that makes happy time. Having access to the Uber analytics helps a lot to organize and to optimize my restaurant. It's always been a good experience with Uber. Like I said, it's super handy. It brings in a lot of work. The customer support is always there. It's easy to communicate and to make things happen.